These are also completely colorful makeup remover that can be painted. Lotus leaf makeup. Now everyone is in summer indefinitely, right? Especially Hangzhou these 2 days. In more than 30 degrees of weather, the humidity is as high as 90 degrees. The hair is also sticky when you go out. Makeup is also off. So our makeup is heavy today, right? The focus of this base makeup must be on holding makeup. The whole makeup focuses on a green series. It looks so refreshing. Let's just cool down. This makeup is actually very suitable for everyone's weekends. When the weather is nice, take time to stroll in the park. Take pictures or something. Tell you what, our colorful makeup looks? You know what? The most important thing is not that we need to do this eye makeup. It's exquisite. It's our base makeup. Be sure to play it very clean. Let's make this color cleaner. Brighter, our pre-makeup moisturizer. A little more classic, press to remove the powder and then feel free. Then go to the upper face and pat it casually. This piece of skin? Is it like the one click in the leather coating software? Dermabrasion. Really don't need complicated speech. Just plain air cushion. We use it to apply easily and quickly. Look, I'm on the first floor. My cheeks are flushed and spotted. Small acne marks and other things disappear completely with one click. Concealer really. Giant cow. And he's very clear and natural. If I look here, you feel that he is my original skin. It's like after the base makeup is clean. Let's hook up. Do you want to deal with it for him? Precisely understand our tears. Nasolabial folds. Snotty nose, depression. If you don't smell it here, you can bring it to him. Tweed. It's still our cliche between the eyebrows triangle. One day. Tired. And our chin is more convenient. These are the locations. What about the nose? We're just going to build a show. Smaller pen and paper. The angle line between the nose and the nose retracts it inward. This will shrink our big nose. What about the double boundary of Yaman? Let's go to the eye socket. Make the eyebrows and eyes more three-dimensional. In the middle of the back, we will. Straight up. Just connect it and simply bring the goods. Don't be too heavy. You can put people in the device. Ask for a little. You see, I'm the longest among people. We need to bring a little bit here on the outside of the orbital bone. Enhance the linkage between our eyebrows and eyes. It makes the brow bone look three-dimensional. The facelift on the side of the face is a little. Compare to find this cheekbone. Where to put it in? Just let you press it in. Let's take this outer outline. It seems a little more fluid. And the reversal zone is these locations. Like the nose shadow here is more golden. We don't move. First pat it off the brightening and facial grooming. We still simply use a brush to set makeup. Press it, we hit this tear ditch. Reflections of nasolabial folds will do. And forehead. Then I usually settle here to the side of my face. This way it doesn't stick to the hair. We're going to put on makeup later. Be sure to stay. Blush color. We'll just use this slightly more tender one. Sweep our whole AGO saliva on it first. Then slowly down again. Take the inside of our apple muscle. A way to draw a blush at the bottom of the watch? By the way, put the whole nose. Bring this grooming to it. Ingredient. Chin Concealer Safflower got it up. The overall appearance is a bit biased. That newly decorated feeling. What about the eyebrows? We are drawing a little bit today. Thinner little crooked eyebrows. Start with the eyebrow line here and then set an arc. The eyebrows are raised a little bit. Fall down because it's a little soothing. Point the tail of the eyebrow a little bit. Be neat. We will use the remaining powder for the eyebrow and wait a little bit. One more frown. And the tail of the eyebrow is deep. The eyebrow tail is yours. Be nimble. This extra eyebrow peak. You can cover him up a little bit. Does the eyebrow look better? So are we going to do green eyeshadow today? So we must use it before applying eyeshadow. The white one first turns the dullness of the entire eyelid. Deal with it. Because the skin tone is actually yellowish. Green eyeshadow. The above words can easily appear a little cloudy. Be sure to tidy up the eyelids for it. The eyeshadow brush must also make sure it is clean. The novice is thin and not easy to apply to the face. After we get the powder, you can give it a little rub first. Hold this brush evenly behind the powder. Then slowly give him some addiction. So we can fold it for him in small amounts and many times. Add this bottom. It is more even and translucent. You use another dark color. Grass green should be on the inside of our double eyelids. Like our swollen eye bubbles, can you take another cold brown one? To the root of the eyelashes. There is a small area here, just press it on. Don't dye it on your eyelids. This way it won't change his sky. With this eyelid, he is not as swollen as before. So we just have to rely on double eyelid stickers. Mainly open the back half of the eye here for it. That's kind of the one. Upward walk. And then, let's curl the eyelashes first. The root of the eyelashes is exposed. Fill it with this inner eyeliner along the root of the eyelash. Then the outer eyeliner we directly from. Outside the pupil, highest point here. Extend back out. Then connect back to our last one. Eyelash here. This forms a small triangular eyeliner. Let you fill the edges. Governance is not smooth. We can use a dark brown eyeshadow. Give it a connection like this. Our eyeliner. It must be the same as this eyebrow. It's very fine and fluid. It feels like it's raised like this. Let's smudge this eyeliner. It will have a more foggy feel. It's soft, fine, and smooth. For the open corners, we use a reddish-brown eyeshadow. Tick down. Today, we are going to take back our lower eyes. It's also reddish-brown down, reddish-red down. Then distance yourself a little from your lower face. Can't control millimeters. Connect to our eyeliner. See if it doesn't form a film and smudge it open. Then the process. Also paint it with a reddish shadow. Wrap it on the narrow front and wide back tail. Connect up from bottom to here to brighten. Not and mention it with a green picture. It makes me. Do you think this feeling after pasting the eyelashes? Is that right? Then our upper eyelash sticker is a flexible plan. The lower eyelash sticker is watermelon land. And then you put the eyeballs on. Okay, this eye makeup looks like this. You're done. Extraordinary beauty. Can already predict. Think of this eye makeup. In some greener places. How beautiful the photo is. Okay, now let's cover up our lip color or put on lipstick. I'll expand the lip line a little bit out first. Be personal. Angle. Lips up. Thickened upper lip line. Use the corner of your lips to connect here and sip your mouth. You can set makeup directly. Paint a nude first and hit yourself. Mirror lip print. A little bit on the inside of the lower lip. In the lips. It's kind of like the sheen that comes with his mouth. And finally quantify a mole. Shorten the makeup. It's cold. embellished with little highlights. Okay, then our makeup plan is over. Show me this detail. Wow, it really was from scratch. Every step is very, very delicate. This makeup really needs to be learned. Do you usually need to go to scenic spots? Really, we are makeup artists ourselves.